Welcome back, everyone, to a fresh edition of Weather for Weather Geeks, the Mahoning and Shenango Valley's most in-depth weather forecast video. We do these Monday through Friday. Generally, these get online by between 7:30 and 8 o'clock in the evening. This is my chance to take a real deep dive into our local weather, much more time than I have on TV, to really get into the nitty-gritty of what has happened, what is happening, what's about to happen. And what happened today was, it was a more seasonable day. Yesterday's high was just 61, but we were at 61 at like 9 o'clock this morning. We had a much more seasonable day today with a high of 77, close to that average of 75. The records today, 92 and 35. Notice we did start, chilly. The low was just after midnight, but it got all the way down to 46 at the Youngstown Warren Airport just after midnight this morning, and then temperatures were closer to 50 to 52 at about daybreak. Now, when I recorded this at 7:14 p.m., it was 16 degrees warmer than this same time yesterday, so it is definitely a noticeable change. It's a beautiful evening. First, let's take a look at the nation, and then we'll get back to our local weather. A couple of severe weather threats this evening across parts of the High Plains states, up into parts of the northern Rockies. You may have seen on the news the flooding problems they had in Oklahoma City area this morning, and a lot of central Oklahoma, actually. This complex of storms that rolled through really meant some business, and boy, this is a big urban flooding problem in Oklahoma City with up to 3, 4, 5 inches worth of rain in a lot of spots. Back here at home, of course, it's a nice evening. We've got a mostly clear sky overhead, just a few wispy, high cirrus clouds out there this evening. It should be a nice evening to check out a couple of the brightest objects in our night sky aside from the moon. Venus shining brightly in the western sky around and just after sunset this evening. It'll set later on, so you can get outside 9 to 10 o'clock. You should be able to spot Venus pretty easily in the western sky. And then if you turn your attention to a little more of a southerly direction, you'll see Jupiter, also very bright up in the south to southwest sky. So it should be a great evening to do some star and planet gazing. I think tomorrow is going to be a pretty nice day overall once again, but I can't rule out a shower or a thunderstorm before the afternoon is through. Our model's not spitting out much here, and I don't think there's going to be much, but 20, maybe 30% chance of a real spotty cell or two before the day is through. Higher risks of wet weather on Saturday, as we've been talking about all week. I've been getting a lot of questions this week about Saturday's weather. It's a Saturday in June. People have outdoor plans, whether it's outdoor birthday parties, swim parties, graduation parties, all sorts of stuff. And while I don't think it's going to rain every hour of the day on Saturday, it's hard to get that at this time of the year. Usually at this time of the year, it rains, it stops, it rains, it stops on an active weather day. I think that'll be the case on Saturday. I think there's going to be showers that come and go. Not real concerned about severe weather on Saturday, but there could be a thunderstorm here and there in the afternoon. Now on Sunday, as this high off to our north starts pushing down some drier air, I think we will see clouds break for some sun. Should be a pretty nice afternoon on Sunday. Temperatures mid-70s and a noticeable decrease in the humidity. So looking at the hour-by-hour rain chances this weekend. Now I'll be fidgeting with this as we get a little closer, of course, as we get new model information in over the next 24 hours or so. Right now, though, I have rain chances starting to increase in the morning Saturday, highest risks in the afternoon. Depending on how the evening model information goes, I might have to up the chances in this handful of hours in the morning on Saturday. But a higher confidence in the forecast for Sunday that any shower would be early, and it should be a very nice wrap up to the weekend on Sunday. So 74 Saturday, 76 on Sunday. You'll notice the humidity on Saturday, but you'll notice the decrease in humidity on Sunday. So Sunday afternoon is the pick part of the weekend. All right, temperature-wise, this is not a hot pattern. I've been talking about this for most of the week. The pattern's not going to switch back into what we had around Memorial Day when we got into the 90s, but it is a consistently warm pattern for the next several days. A rare below-average day coming up on Saturday, then Sunday should be seasonable, followed by above-average temperatures Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So, it's the kind of pattern that's going to produce a lot of high temperatures that are 3, 4, 5, 6 degrees above average, but not a lot of days where the highs are 15 above average. We hit 92, I think it was our warmest day right around the Memorial Day holiday weekend, and I just don't see a 90 in our future anytime real soon. All right, that's it for tonight's Weather for Weather Geeks. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great Thursday night. We may be on a little bit late tonight on the late news because of hockey. Not sure what time the game starts, but usually playoff hockey means we go on a little bit late. So have a great Thursday night, everyone. I'll see you back here for more Weather Geeks on Friday.